Now that we've added our first trade, we can immediately check its status from the Open Positions tab. But before that, let's quickly enter the current price data. You can actually automate this step by integrating external tools like Zapier or Make. But for now, let's manually enter the current price. Once that's done, head over to the Open Positions tab, and you'll see the trade status laid out clearly. You'll get important metrics like unrealized profit, unrealized R, and evolving R. You can also check your trade history right from the calendar on the right. Just click any entry, and it'll take you straight to that page for exit operations. Speaking of exits, let's dive into the Exit Side tab. From here, you've got 3 different take profit levels to choose from. For each level, you'll see the P&L and the remaining quantity after each transaction, based on the price and quantity values you enter. And when there's no more quantity left in the position, simply hit the Exit Date button to finalize the trade. This process will then show up in the Analysis section, where we can track the holding period of the trade.